What is dance? Who defines what it is? Where is it born, or better, produced? It creates community, tradition, and it is also entertainment. It is a source in which humans find beauty. In introspective dance, it is also play. It is a way for creation and expression, a way to get in touch with our bodies and be self-aware. It makes us reach certain experiences through imagination, and also it makes us relate to others in a somatic way.
The approach that this workshop in particular gave was for us to explore the body, but in not just in a general way, but for me it was to search for knowledge through my body.
It also added many values for me as a teacher, because we could discover our feelings, our fears, our positive things through this workshop.
Positioned in situation of time and space. The being aware of inner sensations, thoughts, somatic images, and outer stimuli begins to move. Without any sense of good or bad, without any concept of mistake. Pure exploration, imagination in action.
I remember in session number 3, there was the actual moment when I, not from the theoretical level, but from the experience level, I felt that shift from object to subject, the perspective regarding my body, because while moving, I found in a particular way of experiencing the movement as a sensation that led me to be impressed about what just happened. And after doing it, after experiencing my body as an object of study, I think I stepped back into my mind, and my first reaction or my first thought that was, I need to write this down. first trying to rationally impose that value to dance. I was theoretically or rationally saying that dance is the realm where we can experience body both as a subject and as an object. And then after being actually dancing, after being actually moving in the workshop, I felt that those past ideas were incomplete. It's not that they were wrong, it's not that they were incorrect, but they felt so much well-rounded after experiencing from the body.
The thing was that I've been dancing for a couple of years, but this was the first time when I could do whatever I wanted, so there was no specific choreography. We could just unleash our instincts and feelings, and it was very useful for me because I was in a professional environment, so to say, because the others were also students of the Choreomundus Program and some other individuals. So yeah, this was a very new and useful thing for me.
A new dance is born in connection with the present moment that entails the acceptance of some possibilities and choices over others. In dialogue with the collective that permeates ourselves with values, the legitimation of some movements and gestures over others. Time, space, politics, power, culture, ideas, sensations merge together to guide the movement and the gesture, to produce a certain dance, embodied knowledge within our muscles and bones, prone to be questioned in any second.